We as a whole over the world attempted to be inside our home with the isolate limitations. Anything can happen uncertainly tomorrow. In such case, making more benefits from our own solace is an ideal decision. Envision how great you will feel when you get more cash flow without confronting any monetary issues later on. Sounds extraordinary, isn't that so? Is that you're among those people looking unusual on tracking down the specific method to make more benefits in your day-to-day existence? Would you like to liberated from every one of those monetary battles? Have you at any point attempted forex exchanging and tired of the outcomes? Try not to stress. You're in the correct spot. An astounding forex exchanging master, Carl Dickman, presented a totally remarkable and simple-to-follow forex exchanging framework called Exynox Scalper. This framework is tied in with getting more cash with an interesting calculation in which it doesn't make any difference you're a beginner or experienced merchant. This framework works for anybody that aids in making a profoundly productive and simple-to-utilize forex framework. Peruse on my fair survey till the finish to gain proficiency with similar insider facts of bringing in cash in exchanging forex. What is exactly Exynox Scalper? Exynos Scalper is a simple-to-follow incredibly smart forex device that is exceptional to fruitful exchanging. This framework assists you with making enormous benefits rapidly and effectively, causing you to appreciate the cycle all from your own solace. Exynox Scalper Forx Exchanging Pointer is your exceptional key to progress where you can exchange effectively without agonizing over any monetary battles later on. It assists you with bringing in cash on exchanging forex consistently. Exynox Scalper framework is straightforward and simple to follow by anybody to make effective exchanging only days. In not more than days, you can make predictable benefits with less introductory speculation. It is easy to utilize where it doesn't make any difference you're a novice where you can achieve consistent benefits in simply an issue of days. Exynos Scalper features. Introduces in a short time. Bit-by-bit client control. 60 days full unconditional promise. Updates and enhancements. My own email support. Solid signs 100% of no repaint. One genuine live record. All day, every day email support. Limitless Exynox Scalper permit for one genuine live record. How might Exynox Scalper helpful for you? Exynos Scalper is a point-by-point bit-by-bit client manage that goes about as a powerful exchanging calculation. Exynox Scalper framework is profoundly beneficial and simple to utilize, where both beginner brokers and experienced dealers can profit with this item. This forex framework deals with every significant pair in M1 M3 time periods. It incorporates an ingenious forex apparatus dependent on a one-of-a-kind calculation that shows you the best and ideal opportunity to enter and leave exchanges with extraordinary precision. All you will do is purchase, sell when this framework orders you to appreciate getting more cash. In not more than days, you can make immense benefits even with the little time spans as M5 plus 364 pips absolute benefits on pounds sterling to US dollar. Exynox Scalper framework glances in real life for three modes like traditionalist, medium, and forceful mode. It is the best exchanging arrangement that goes about as a brand top-of-the-line marker where you can go the tables lastly begin carrying on with your fantasy life. The incredible and novel calculations appeared in Exynox Scalper programming will allow you to exploit what Forex offers. It doesn't expect you to have a huge load of information and long stretches of involvement where you can harvest out sufficient benefits in only days. It doesn't expect you to go through hours examining outlines where it shows you both the ideal section and leave point of an exchange where all the difficult work is for you. Exynox Scalper Trading System. What all specialized features can you find trading with Exynox Scalper? Exynox Scalper powerful forex exchanging framework incorporates exceptionally precise exchanging signals that are totally simple to use by anybody. The signs in Exynox Scalper program consistently stay fixed when they show up without repainting, in contrast to some other pointers. With this framework, you can have easy gains on M1 M30 time periods that are most likely the best time spans for dealers. With Exynox Scalper framework, There's no uncertainty about when to enter and leave exchanges that advised absolutely what and when to. In this framework, you can undoubtedly pick the speed of exchanging by utilizing moderate, medium, and forceful exchanging styles. An extra custom mode that permits more experienced brokers physically. It has practically no wiggle room as basic exchanging rules are followed. Exynox Scalper framework worked and keen leave innovation where the signs show up. The benefits. Exynos Scalper is an exceptionally compelling forex exchanging calculation. Exynox Scalper framework accompanies an easy-to-understand visual interface. It requires just a negligible time speculation. Additionally, you can discover high-benefit signals. Exynox Scalper framework incorporates worked and brilliant leave innovation. This framework includes a remarkable pattern of force location. Exynox Scalper exchanging framework includes different exchanging styles. Exynox Scalper Forx exchanging framework incorporates dependable signs of 100% no repaint. Exynox Scalper exchanging framework upholds all significant money sets. Barely any drawbacks. Exynox Scalper is accessible online as it were. There is no disconnected accessibility. You can't anticipate moment benefits and overnight winning. The advantages will be steady yet worth your time. Last thoughts, a trustworthy investment. In the decision, Exynox Scalper is a reliable speculation you've at any point made in your life. Exynox Scalper exchanging calculation helps you by winding up every one of the monetary battles that you are looking in your life. In only days, you can make an immense benefit on even the little time periods. This exchanging framework assists you with changing your life today without an exhausting everyday schedule. You merit the best. Everything given in this exchanging framework can be introduced in only 5 minutes. Trust me. Exynox Scalper Forx framework is not normal for some other technique on the web. You were defrauded previously. Exynox Scalper exchanging framework is loaded with a nitty-gritty bit-by-bit client direct offers you a limitless period with no constraints. I'm sure to such an extent that you will be pleased with the benefits you get by utilizing this exchanging framework. Anyway, what are you hanging tight for? Begin with Exynox Scalper today. In case you're not happy with the outcomes you get, you can request a discount of your underlying speculation. This exchanging framework accompanies a total 100% unconditional promise. For more information, just check the link in the description down below.